In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Maps not working on Android. So if you're experiencing that the Google Maps is not loading, or even it's not showing the location or showing the wrong location, or even it's not working at all, whatever the problem is, I'll go ahead and show you how you can fix them all at once. It's super easy, but before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the Google Maps problem, you just need to press and hold the Google Maps application and then tap on App Info. And from here, scroll down and tap on App Permissions. And inside this one, you'll get to see two different sections, allowed and not allowed. So you just need to allow all the permissions that is required. So first thing first, I'm going to allow the camera access first. And also I'm going to go ahead for the contact. And I'm going to allow all the permission one by one. And once you have allowed all the permission, and here it says no permission denied, you just need to get back from here and then scroll down and tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache, tap on OK, and you're pretty much good to go. Just get back from here and force close the application and open up the Play Store and then go ahead and search for Maps. And here we get the Google Maps application. You just need to tap on this, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your Google Maps application to the latest version. And once you do that, just get back from here and restart your phone once. And once you've done this process, once you get back, most likely your problem is going to be solved. Hope you find it super helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.